What's up, you guys? So today I actually want to show you guys a little trick that I found out with this little selfie stick that you can do with the GoPro. So let me just take this. So my friend Jeffrey, you all remember my friend Jeffrey, who loves chicken way too much.
I like chicken.
He said that this is part of the packaging and I should get rid of it, but I don't want to now because I found a cool trick with this. So if I can hold the GoPro on top of this, I can hold it from this handle and then just move around with it. The problem is I accidentally broke this when I was trying to record, but I'm gonna do everything that I can to fix this so I can try this out. Alright guys, so this is what I'm working with so far. I actually added a little Lego right here. Not sure if you guys can see. A little Lego to repair the thing. And I also have a bunch of Legos right there. I might have a text out because there's a bunch of things I don't need anymore, but anyways, let's continue on with the day. Alright, so I actually cut these tips out, so I'm gonna add more tape here. But to be honest, my summer has been going pretty well ever since school's dropped out, which is, to me, I think I've said this before, but to me, it's really awesome that school is over. But I feel like there's nothing else for me to do. Like, most of the time, so I'm bored all day long. So how's your summer been? Was it boring? Did you guys do something fun? Did you go on a rock climbing trip? What did you guys do over the summer? I think I got it. That's what we're working with. Alright, you guys, so I think just like that, we are done with this. Let's place a GoPro on this thing. Alright, you guys, just like that. Wow, I placed a GoPro on the selfie stick. Look at this. How far can this go? Look, it's all the way up there. Okay. So the only thing I'm worried about now is the GoPro falling off the selfie stick. Let's hope that doesn't happen, but anyways, let's continue with the day. Alright, you guys, so I'm outside right now. This might be a cool perspective. How is it up there? Let me know down in the comments down below. But by far, and I'm not sure if I'm gonna do this again, but this is probably the coolest thing I've ever done. I might make another cool thing, I don't know. Alright, you guys, so that's pretty much gonna end today's vlog, because I wanted to show you guys of what I can do with this little broken selfie stick. And just a quick note here, this is actually my dad's selfie stick. He might punish me, I don't know. But yeah, you guys, so that's pretty much gonna be it. So in the future, I'm gonna try this out probably in public at a special event. And 4th of July is coming up. I cannot wait for that moment. I'm gonna turn the fan on. It's super hot. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did, leave a like and subscribe down below for me to post more content. And you know what? Maybe I should try daily vlogging. I'm gonna do that probably during the month of July. I'm gonna plan that out right now. But I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see y'all next time. See you later.